Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Let's start a new chapter in English, chapter 15, A Bad Case of the Sneezes. So, student, this is a poem. Let's start to read. Last night I had the sneezes. I was really very ill. My mother called the doctor who prescribed a purple pill. So, prescribed means orders for medicine given by a doctor to cure a person. Next, at 8 o'clock, I went to bed. My mom turned off the light. I used up one whole box of Kleenex, sneezing through the night. Kleenex means a brand of tissue paper used for blowing your nose. Next, I sneezed my brains out in my bed. I didn't get much rest. So that's the reason, teacher, that I flunked the spelling test. Reason means cause, or flunked means failed. So, student, this is a poem of a boy who was really very ill and his mother cured him overnight. Okay, students, I hope you all understood very well. We will meet you in next class. Thank you. Bye, children.